When wind picks up, Dustin Ostrander gets down to business.
Sometimes we do a little bit of fire mitigation and tree work and cleanup, and primarily we do decks, basements, bathrooms, and kitchens.
He owns Ostrander Construction Services in Blackhawk. He said he had multiple jobs last week related to high damaging winds.
We had a customer who had a tree go through her master bedroom window. We had another customer, a previous customer, who had a tree fall on their house and take off, I think, a half a dozen shingles.
He says those jobs were in Idaho Springs and Nederland, but the storm still found a way to hit close to home.
True. We had a tree that blew over on one of the cars that we had here for another project that we were going to build here this month, but nature had a different outcome.
And that tree is still on that car?
It is still on there because I haven't had time to get it off. I've been dealing with everyone else's stuff. So
Ostrander says more extreme wind in the forecast has him on alert. He says he's keeping an eye on his property and his phone line.
I have job sites that I got to be out to, and we're preparing the wind for that. Like, we have porta potties and things that we got to make sure secured down, and material and things prepared for the storm. So that's where I'll be in the morning.
Even though the winds may bring him more work, Ostrander doesn't want too much destruction to blow his way.
I'm hoping that everyone has got their things secured and the wind has knocked a lot loose that needed to, but I'm hoping people secure everything that needs to be, so it's not as much damage.
Ostrander's electricity provider is United Power. He says that he hasn't heard from the company about any potential planned power shutoffs, so he says that tomorrow he'll likely spend the day helping others if his services are needed. Live in Golden, Janelle Finch, 9 News.